Understanding, seeing it firsthand, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into the phrase, seeing it firsthand. This phrase is widely used in English to describe a very specific way of experiencing events or situations. Stick with us to discover not just its meaning, but also how to use it in your daily conversations. When we talk about seeing something firsthand, we are referring to the experience of witnessing or experiencing something directly, rather than hearing about it from someone else or seeing it through secondary sources like photos, videos, or reports. This phrase emphasizes the authenticity and immediacy of the experience. For example, if you visit the Grand Canyon and see its vastness with your own eyes, you are seeing its beauty firsthand. This is different from seeing pictures of the Grand Canyon online or hearing someone describe it. First-hand experiences hold a lot of value because they provide you with personal insights and real emotions associated with the event or situation. Seeing something firsthand can also mean that your understanding of it is not influenced by others' interpretations or biases. This is why first-hand experiences are often considered more reliable and impactful. In learning, traveling, and understanding cultural differences, first-hand experiences are irreplaceable. They allow you to form your own opinions and memories based on what you have directly observed and felt. Now, let's learn how to incorporate seeing it firsthand into your conversations. Here are a few examples. You can read about the war in textbooks, but seeing the impacts firsthand in the affected areas gives you a whole new perspective. I thought I knew what poverty looked like, but seeing it firsthand in the city slums was a real eye-opener. Traveling to France and seeing the artwork firsthand was an unforgettable experience. Notice how in each of these examples, the phrase is used to highlight the difference between direct and indirect experiences. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and use of the phrase, seeing it firsthand. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how valuable and impactful first-hand experiences can be, and how to talk about them in English. Remember, there's no substitute for the depth of understanding and emotion that comes from seeing and experiencing things for yourself. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.